Enabling two-factor authentication on iCloud adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Sign into your Apple ID. Go to the Apple ID website and sign in with your Apple ID and password. This is the account you want to secure with two-factor authentication. Step 2. Access security settings. Once signed in, navigate to the security section of your account settings. Here, you will find options related to your account's security features. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option to enable two-factor authentication. Click on it and follow the prompts to start the setup process. You may be asked to verify your identity. Step 4. Choose trusted devices. During the setup, you will need to select trusted devices where you can receive verification codes. This could be your iPhone, iPad, or another Apple device. Step 5. Complete the setup. Follow the remaining instructions to complete the setup. Once finished, you will receive a confirmation that two-factor authentication is enabled on your iCloud account. Now your iCloud account is more secure with two-factor authentication. Make sure to keep your trusted devices secure and updated.